Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix our ASUS monitor brightness keep changing, disable dynamic, dimming, echo and fix. So the fix one you can turn off auto brightness, the adaptive brightness feature. So press the menu button on the monitor, go to image or brightness settings, look for ASCR or dynamic contrast or adaptive brightness. Then turn it off and exit the menu and check if the issue is fixed. Fix 2 you can disable the HDR in Windows. Right click on your desktop, then click display setting, then select your SS monitor and turn HDR off and restart your PC again. The fix 3 you can check power saving mode. Open the monitor menu, go to system setup, then find power saving or eco mode and then turn it off. Now the final fix you can update the graphics driver. Press Window plus X and click Device Manager, expand Display Adapter and then right click on your graphics card and click Update Driver. Then restart your computer after the updating. Goodbye.